You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and why it's pronounced this way. So, it comes from the French word cavalier, which means a knight, the knight that goes on a horse. It's also used to be a royalist supporters of Charles I in English history, but it means a knight in French. French pronunciation cavalier, but in English it's pronounced cavalier. That's British English, cavalier. In American English, cavalier. Now the plurals is cavaliers. So Cleveland, Cavaliers. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.